Guys, right here, this is the Bugatti. This thing is awesome. Look at the details. So sweet. Look at the lights back there, the wheels, everything. You can even see inside there. How cool is that? Very cool. This thing is a remote control RC. Turn on the car with the on switch right there. Boom. Turn on the remote control right there. Turn that on. Boom. All right, so the remote control is on. Car is on. Let's go. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's a power. Let's go. Let's try it out. Here we go. Here we go. Check it out. Zoom. Whoa. Go backwards. Nice. Dude, that's pretty fast. When you start going, there's lights. How cool is that? When you reverse, there's light there too. Nice. Ooh, look, you hear that servo? Dude, that sounds wicked. That's so cool. Look at the details when you turn. Look at those details. How cool is that? Of course, it drives. Rear wheel drive. Woo! Blast away. Boom. Whoa, do you see that turn? Boom. It's pretty fast, pretty fast, pretty fast, pretty fast. Woo! Oh, did you see that turn? That 360 turn? Oh, there, that's sick. Whoa, look at that car. There we go, guys. This thing is so much fun. We got the remote control right here. The wheels turn. It's powerful. It's fun. There's lights. This is such a cool Bugatti RC car. 1/12 scale. The detail is so cool. Really cool details. This is so awesome. Ah, yeah.